Alright, so we're going to do a quick video. As you can see, it is raining. I'm going to throw this frog around on this braid. You can see I'm using the Lew's Speed Spool on a Hank Parker Walmart speed stick is what they call it. Signature Series Hank Parker. Got it tied on with a Palomar knot. I'm just skipping around a little bit in this rain. Got some floating grass starting to come up with these warmer temperatures. The water's warm. I'm gonna try to catch one on a frog in the rain. That's what I'm gonna try to do. No tackle with me. It's in the truck, it's raining. Didn't want to get it wet. So I got 4 rods total, and this is one of them. Kind of think I'm gonna throw it out here in the open water. The rain should stop here shortly, and I say shortly, close to an hour. But I got my rain gear, ain't no big deal. There's a beaver going across the water. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a beaver or a muskrat crossing the water right there, right now. Just went underwater. A little open water frog action. And most people don't do this, but I'm gonna stand up real quick. I can swim, mind you, I don't want to get wet, but I'm gonna stand up real quick in this canoe. It's pretty stable. Now, if I set the hook on a giant, it might fall out. Got a bug following it, not a fish. Oh, just missed him. That's a tiny one. I mean a tiny fish. Took it under the water. See if he comes to get it again. I don't know if y'all seen that, but I mean a tiny bass coming, took it under the water. It looks like the sun want to come out now. So if you get your braid hung over a limb with your frog, don't just get it out. There you go. Pop that frog a little bit. There's a fish over there, he'll come get it. If there ain't no fish, you just get your stuff out and keep going. So yeah, always remember that if you get your frog hung up with your braid over the limb or something, don't rush it, fish it. Because a lot of the times they'll come up and nail it, and then you're gonna get unhung anyway. But yeah, you can cast this thing a country mile with this reel. It's a good reel. I just need a good fish. So with that being said, first video, appreciate y'all watching. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna keep fishing in the rain. Comment below. Comment below if you don't mind fishing in the rain. And I appreciate the comments. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.